Now we will understand the concept of land utilization, right? So, dear children, there are total 5 types of land utilization. You can memorize like FLON, double FLON, FLON, right? Like F stands for forest, second F stands for fallow lands, right? Double L stands for land not available for cultivation. Double O stands for other uncultivated land. Okay. N stands for net shown area. Okay. The first one is forest. Some of the land may be forest, and we know like reserve forest, protected forest and unclassified forest. After forest, if we take second F, means fallow lands. Beta, what is fallow lands? Fallow lands means the land left without cultivation for less than 1 year to 5 years. Means previously maybe agricultural activities were going on, and maybe after a few years it will be going on, but right now it is left as a fallow lands, and it is divided into two, like current fallow and other than current fallow. What is current fallow lands? Means these land left without cultivation for 1 or less than 1 agricultural year, right? And other than current fallow means these land, it is obviously left uncultivated, and it is uncultivated during how many years? 1 to 5 agricultural years. Now next one is L. L stands for land not available for cultivation. Land not available for cultivation means obviously agricultural activities or cultivation will not be going on. So it is divided into two. Number 1, barren and wasteland. Barren land means too poor to produce anything, and it is obviously wasteland. And number 2, land put to non-agricultural uses, okay, like buildings, roads, factories, etc. Next one is other uncultivated land, excluding fallow land. Okay, excluding means excluding these lands, fallow lands. So it is categorized in 3. Permanent pastures and grazing land means all the grasslands and grazing lands all. Number 2, land under miscellaneous tree crops groups means you can see different types of trees over here and groups. And number 3, culturable wasteland. What is culturable wasteland? Culturable means land not cultivated during the last 5 years or more than 5 years. So other than current fallow land, it is left without cultivation for 1 to 5 agricultural years, and culturable wasteland, it is left uncultivated for more than 5 agricultural years. Okay, more than 5 years, and it is 1 to 5 years. Last one is N, and N stands for net shown area. What is net shown area? Net shown area is the proportion of the total areas of the country which is used for growing crops. Suppose you have a given piece of land, right? And suppose this is 5 hectare. This is 5 hectare land total. So, and this land is net shown area. Okay, if this 5 hectare net sown area is used for double cropping or triple cropping in a year, then gross crop area will be 10 or 15 hectare. Okay, I'm giving you one example. Suppose on this patch of land there are 3 crops, right? 3 crops. Suppose one is summer crop, one is spring crop, and another is obviously winter crop. Okay, so you have all these 3 crops on the same area. Okay, but the same patch of land will be counted thrice, and we will say it is the gross crop area, because you are getting 3 crops on the same piece of land and in 3 different seasons in 1 year. So all the crops that grown in 1 year would be counted towards the gross crop area, where net sown area, it is just a single counting. Net sown area, it will be a single counting, because you have only one area on which you are growing the crop.